Magandang araw po mga kaguro. Ipinagpapatuloy po natin ang pagtalakay sa DepEd Order number 34 Series of 2025. Ngayong araw ay tatalakayan natin ang Section 21 to 22 na tungkol sa Class Observation Protocols. Section 21. Classroom observation shall be done or conducted to assess a teacher's demonstration of the required PPST COIs. It shall be done in an actual classroom setting with learners. Sa mga katuwid, titingnan po ninyo ano po ba ang COI na kinakailangan ipakita base sa teacher level na inyong ina-applyan. Kung teacher 2 kayo, nag-a-apply, dapat ang required COI ng inyong demo ay para sa teacher 2. Section 22. To streamline the conduct of COI assessment under the comparative assessment process, classroom observations conducted within the immediately preceding school year prior to the submission of the application may be considered for purposes of promotion, provided that such observation is distinct and separate from the scheduled full period classroom observation conducted for the purposes of the performance management evaluation system. Ibig sabihin po, separate ang demo sa promotion at PMES. Paki-comment po para sa inyong mga katanungan. Paki-like, share at subscribe ko sa aking YouTube channel, Facebook page, TikTok at Instagram accounts na Tambayan ni Sir. Marami pong salamat at muli magandang araw.